Grab last battery. Good thing I have to fly more. Drone off. Plug it. I'm sure this will get easier as I wear them down. Slap in the new one. Connect it. Battery on. Hold in the slot. I got a number of those things too. All right. Pick this back up. Wait for all that to pair. I really need to go in the lanyard for this thing so it just dangles right here. All right, looks like I'm connected. We'll start recording again and we'll see how much time I fly on a full battery. Oh, I can't stand that joystick. Alright, we're going full S mode this time. There we go. Woo! I didn't think I was going to make it around that. Man, I almost bombed right into a bird. Almost ruined that bird's day. Oh, I don't like the left and right. Like, I feel that's going to be the reason why I crash one day. Like someone's coming. Oh, can I shoot this gap? Oh, that was wild. Let's see who's coming up on me. Oh, they're just gonna go do some gardening. Awesome. Woo! I mean, you're doing 60 miles an hour. You have no sense of speed. Like, you're not feeling the wind or gravity. So, I mean, when you're flying at something, like, it doesn't feel real. Holy crap. Oh, crap. See, I would not be going this fast or that close to any of this stuff with my Air 2. Oh, my gosh. But with this thing, you really do want to cut loose. Like, it's so strange. I can see why people crash this thing a lot. Oh. Okay, I've been flying for 3 minutes. It says I've got 61% battery left. I'm going to smash into this barn. Look how it's rough, though. I get the warning stuff all the time. There's a lot of wiggle in the goggles feed. I've been told that the footage from the drone is liquid, it's fluid, but whoa, that was fun. do want to like go down in between things. You want to fly dangerously close to things like the ground and buildings and trees, but whew, I don't want to break this thing on the first day. But oh my gosh, you do want to do some bad things with this drone. I mean, really what I need to do is I need to slow down. Like, I'm race carring this thing around at top speed. I'm not being forgiving at all. Like full tilt forward. I really need to slow down and get used to it. But you just want to go. I mean, obviously, who wants to drive around doing 25 in a Ferrari in a residential zone? God, those banks are hard. And that wasn't even a full one. That's a full one. Oh, crap. Full tilt. Oh my gosh, 180. Damn thing just did a 180. Okay, that battery's getting close already. I'm at 5 minutes flight time. Almost 6 minutes. Wow. I mean, it's really fun, but you're not going to get a lot of time on the sticks. But for the time you get, it's amazing. I don't know, maybe I need to calibrate this thing because it's not turning. It doesn't feel like it's returning to level with Horizon. Okay, I got a minute left. A battery. And there goes the low battery. Start, stop to cancel. Alright, yeah. It tried to take over my It tried to take over my stick again. Alright, switching to normal mode. Bringing it in for a landing. I'm just about 6 minutes, 50 seconds. Yeah. On one full battery doing sport mode, so, yep. I get it. I understand why they say there's only like 8 minutes of battery on this thing. This thing is awesome. It's fast, it's scary, and it's a little difficult to control. But that's only going to get better as I train more. But it doesn't last very long. Good thing I got 3 batteries, because, well, what did I fly? Not even a half an hour. And with the Air 2, I'd almost be ready to swap to my second or third batteries. So you're gonna have to use this thing for like specific crazy insane shots that you would definitely not do with the Air 2. Or it's just a fun, VR simulator of being Superman. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Okay. Gimbal cover. Off. And then snap on the gimbal. Easy way to know up from down is one side has this, the other side does not, one side does not, one side has. So snap that on. And the great thing about this case is all I have to do is that. Turn my blades, face the right way, and it just squishes right down. Nice and flush. You don't have to take the propellers off or anything. Controllers. Put that down. Don't have to take the sticks off. Pops right back in. Alright. All these cables, all this stuff. Unplug. Unplug. And this is really nice. All you do is this. It just squishes down in there. No need to take off your antennas. So that's all the wires. You know, that's all the ship. That's all the controller and the ship and everything. And then what do you do with all this stuff? Well, just grab it, wind it up, and throw it in here. Slot the battery. That spaghetti. Zip it up. And you're mobile. Awesome. Totally safe, and it's mobile. That's what I need. Alright. Put all this stuff in. And that was it.